You got a 2000 Odyssey here. Now, if you remember, I showed you how to do a quick fix on this just to make the air come out the vents. Now we're going to make the repair. Super simple. 2000 Odyssey, a Honda Odyssey, air's not coming out the vents, but it comes out defrost, comes out in the back good, comes out down there good. Go down here by your feet, look up to your right, there's your blend door actuator. It's as simple as this. Unclip that clip, this rod is now loose. Unclip this clip, this rod is now loose. You got a 9/32 screw right here. I'm sorry, 11/32 screw right here. 11/32 screw right there. Unplug the power, pull it out, throw it away, put the new one in, put your screw back in here, screw back in there, plug your power back in. Take this door actuator and put that rod in, rotate that down, it'll clip. Take this one, rotate it up, and it'll clip, and that's it. You've got vent air up there. Now these things run about $80 to $90. We found this one online for about 40 bucks, so we saved a bunch of money. So I hope this video helps you out. If you need to know how to make this work just for the time being, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and I'll show you how you don't have to actually change that if you need air right now. There's a little tip on the video to show how to do that. So do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.